Hi, we're Group Trades. I'm Adam.
I'm Kristy.
I'm Luke.
And I'm Mikayla. Let's go for a ride.
After crossing the Covehead Bridge in PEI National Park, drivers can see almost 3 straight kilometers of uninterrupted road. This, and a lack of frequent visual cues, makes drivers feel that they are traveling significantly slower than they really are.
For this reason, you may think that the car in the previous clip was driving slower than this one, despite them traveling at the same speed.
We propose the installation of a series of art pieces on medians that will turn drivers off of autopilot while also serving as educational or storytelling agents about Mi'kmaq culture, ecology, or other island themes.
Next, a median for the section between Brackley and Shaw's Beach bearing low-maintenance grasses or stones, and a pseudo 3-dimensional crosswalk to captivate the eyes of drivers and evoke conscious interpretation. Finally, these designs incorporate the legal and logistical requirements for minimum lane width and snowplow compatibility.
And with that, pedestrians and drivers alike can feel safer while visiting PEI National Park.